Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Garmin Lily is probably one of the most stylish and feature-packed smartwatches designed specifically for women, blending elegant aesthetics with advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities to empower your wellness journey and keep you connected on the go. Number 5. Garmin Lily Band Replacement Strap. Elevate your Garmin Lily with our premium Milanese and silicone strap options. Designed for both elegance and active lifestyles, it's the perfect accessory. This replacement band is specifically crafted to fit your Garmin Lily smartwatch flawlessly. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. Choose the sophisticated Milanese stainless steel strap for a touch of class. It adds a refined look to your smartwatch, perfect for any occasion. Opt for the flexible silicone sport strap for your workouts and daily activities. It offers comfort and durability, keeping up with your every move. This slim accessory is designed to be lightweight and unobtrusive. It enhances your smartwatch without adding bulk, maintaining its sleek profile. Specially designed for women's smartwatches, this strap combines fashion and function. It's the ideal way to personalize your device and express your style. What we like? This option offers a unique combination of Milanese stainless steel and silicone, providing versatility for different occasions. If you're looking for a strap that can transition from workouts to everyday wear, this is a great choice. It's designed to be a slim accessory, perfect for those who prefer a less bulky feel on their wrist. What people say. The rose gold band is nice and breathes well. I don't feel it sticking to me as much as the old plastic band did. This band is much better and doesn't stick to your skin or make you hot and itchy. The tools provided were very helpful. The color matched perfectly and I didn't have issues with the length. I love how the rose gold stainless steel mesh strap looks good on my Lily Classic watch. Now I have this stainless steel mesh strap, I can do workout, and getting the watch wet is not a problem. Number 4. Garmin Lily Sport Strap Plus Metal Band Set. Elevate your Garmin Lily smartwatch with our versatile band set. This collection includes both a comfortable silicone sports strap and a stylish metal accessory band. Designed exclusively for the Garmin Lily smartwatch, these bands are made for a perfect fit. They are suitable for wrist sizes ranging from 5.1 to 7.5 inches and are easily adjustable. Experience superior comfort and durability. The metal band is crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sturdy surface, while the silicone strap is made from soft, eco-friendly material. The solid metal bracelet features a unique folding clasp with double locking. This ensures your watch stays securely in place throughout the day. Whether for daily work, fitness activities, or special occasions, these bands are the perfect accessory. They also make a thoughtful gift for holidays and celebrations. What we like? This set provides both a comfortable silicone sports strap and a stylish metal classic stainless steel band. If you want the flexibility to switch between a sporty look and a more dressy one, this is ideal. The adjustable size ensures a great fit for most women's wrists, making it a versatile choice for daily work and special occasions. What people say. The metal band looks even better. For the metal band, it was actually easy to remove extra links, and what is nice is the resulting fit is perfect, has just a little movement looseness up and down, but never turns around on the wrist, i.e. the face of the watch is never not able to be seen. The silicone band is really nice, and the chain version feels very good quality. Looks great, very nearly perfect match for the rose gold on the watch face, and the included tools made the switch very easy. Number 3. C2DJOY Leather Straps for Garmin Lily 2. Introducing the C2DJOY Leather Straps, designed to perfectly complement your Garmin Lily or Lily 2 smartwatch. Elevate your style with these premium replacement bands. Specifically crafted for the Garmin Lily and Lily 2 models, these bands offer a comfortable and secure fit. Enjoy a seamless integration with your favorite smartwatch. Made with high-quality leather, these watch bands are a stylish choice for women. They provide both durability and a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. Swapping out your old band for a new one is effortless. These replacement watch bands attach easily, allowing you to change your style in seconds. Express your personal style by choosing from our range of elegant leather straps. Make your Garmin Lily uniquely yours with a band that reflects your taste. Experience exceptional comfort throughout the day. The soft leather and thoughtful design ensure these bands feel great on your wrist, no matter the activity. What we like? Experience the timeless elegance and comfort of genuine leather with this replacement band. If you appreciate a classic aesthetic and a soft, comfortable feel against your skin, this is the perfect upgrade. It's designed for those who want to add a touch of sophistication to their smartwatch for everyday wear. What people say. It was easy to install and there's no signs of it slipping off or being ill-fitting with the watch, and I find it to be quite classy and beautiful. It makes my watch look like a watch rather than a smartwatch or fitness tracker. My wrist was reacting to my smartwatch silicone band with itchy hives. I bought this leather band kit to replace the silicone. It worked. My wrist no longer itches or gets hives. My leather watch band doesn't trap heat and cause sweat to collect under it, so it's perfect for working out. The strap was easy to install. I am glad I got the tool to change out the band because it made switching the band very easy. It took no longer than 5 minutes. It came with a long and shorter strap which are both reversible, which is convenient. Number 2. C2DJOY Stainless Steel Strap for Garmin Lily 2. Introducing the C2DJOY Stainless Steel Strap, designed to perfectly complement your Garmin Lily or Lily 2 smartwatch. Give your device a touch of elegance and sophistication. This isn't just a band, it's a statement piece. Crafted with a jewelry-inspired design, it transforms your smartwatch into a stylish bracelet. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this replacement band offers both durability and a luxurious feel. It's built to last and designed to impress. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit throughout your day. The adjustable design ensures it sits perfectly on your wrist, whether you're at work or out for a special occasion. Dress it up or dress it down, this band is the perfect accessory for any outfit and any event. It's the ideal way to express your personal style. Swapping out your old band for this new one is simple and quick. You can easily refresh the look of your smartwatch in minutes. What we like. Elevate your smartwatch with the stunning stainless steel jewelry bracelet. If you're seeking a truly dressy accessory that doubles as a fashion statement, this band is for you. It's designed to add a touch of sparkle and luxury, perfect for making your Garmin Lily stand out at any event. What people say. It is easy to adjust for a smaller wrist by removing links. It looks very stylish and doesn't look like I am wearing a smartwatch. It was easy to install and can be switched with other style of bands when desired. The clasp is versatile and can be opened at any link with one hand. It definitely makes my watch look elegant. Super easy to adjust the size as well as to put together. I did not even have to look at the instructions for reference. I wanted it to change up the sportier look of the plastic band, for every day where that does not involve gym outfits, and it does exactly that. Number 1. C2DJOY Lily Smartwatch Straps. Elevate your Lily smartwatch with our premium stainless steel straps. Designed for a sophisticated look, they add a touch of class to your everyday wear. Discover the X-style accessory that transforms your device. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function, crafted for the modern woman. Experience the quality of durable stainless steel. This material ensures longevity and a comfortable fit for all-day wear. Easily replace your old band with this stylish new one. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring your smartwatch stays secure and looks great. Specifically designed for women, this wristband complements any outfit. It's the ideal accessory to express your personal style. Give your Lily smartwatch a fresh, dressy look. This band is the ultimate accessory to enhance its appearance and your style. What we like. Make a bold statement with this uniquely designed X-style stainless steel wristband. If you're looking for a dressy accessory that offers a distinctive look, this is an excellent option. It's crafted for women who want their smartwatch to be a fashionable accessory, adding a modern and chic flair. What people say. The rose gold is actually rose gold. The tool that takes off the old band is super easy to use. I like how it's easy to remove links. It's classy and elegant enough to be worn with office and formal wear, but comfortable enough for everyday use. This band definitely elevates the smartwatch look and gives some visual interest. The links are easy to add and take away to adjust size. This band blends perfectly with the rose gold of my watch, and you'd never know they didn't come together. It was perfect. Slender, especially compared to others like this. This came with the removal tool, made it super easy to install. Links are also easy to remove with no tool needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.